Adian kajing priang ki Khubor bayadei berkajing thmu ti uranium Khuborjylla nakalyak Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla konrad ke sangma menta kasngi ula pentikna baga Sorkar Jylla kayeng scam hakanong rim ban Pyrshah ajur ya kajing ti uranium Khuborjylla. Menteri Rangba ula penpenaru baga Sorkar Jylla kan sa Wanrah abat menjur daga resolution ban pentikna ya kanong rim bagi dan Pyrshah ya kajing ti uranium bat ban khang ya kajing ti uranium Khuborjylla.
Dear friends, recently our Honorable Minister of State, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, was in Shillong for a program. And during the short discussion with the press had asked him about the situation or the stand of the government of India in regards to uranium mining in the state of Meghalaya. Dr. Jitendra Singh had clarified that government of India has not made any decision on that matter, and the government of India is still examining, but no decision has been taken. This was not clearly mentioned in the press, but his statement is very clear that government of India has not decided on any step forward. Number two, I have made it very, very clear number of times that the state government, especially our NPP-led government, is against the uranium mining, and that we have made it clear that we will oppose any form of attempt to have uranium mining in the state. Yesterday, I had a very detailed meeting with a large number of party leaders from the NPP. And in that discussion, apart from many other subjects and issues, the subject of uranium mining had come up. All the leaders of the NPP have suggested to me that the state government and the assembly must unanimously come out with a resolution to oppose the mining of uranium in our state of Meghalaya. Based on the suggestions and the decisions made by the NPP leaders in the meeting yesterday, we are moving forward and we will be working towards passing a resolution to oppose the mining of uranium in our state, to show our commitment towards this decision of not allowing uranium mining, as we are aware about the different implications that it could have on our people, on our environment, on different aspects of our forest, and the overall impact that it can have on the people and the future of our state. And hence there are too many risks that are involved, and hence we are very firm, as I said once again, that we will oppose the uranium mining in our state, and we will work towards passing a resolution in that aspect. Thank you so much.